Oh, I gotta take my glasses off. Hi everybody, this is Kevin from Humboldtcraftworks. Alright, we're gonna give this cherry and walnut. Inch and 3/4 thick, 13 by 16 and a half. It retails for like $350. I'm gonna give this away. And all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. What you're gonna do is say, Mr. Kevin, I'm a blockhead, I need a butcher block. And if you say that and subscribe and like, once I get 100 people on my channel subscribed and that like this video, I'll give this to whoever wins the random doohickey thing. There's a random drawer, you just put the thing in there. So, Mr. Kevin, I'm a blockhead, I need a butcher block. Yeah, that'll do. And then once I get up to 100, however long that takes, I'm gonna give this, I'll send it to you. I'll ship it to you. It's already signed. Yeah, so we got a butcher block giveaway. Ooh. If you do it fast enough and enough people do it, you'll have a Christmas present for free. An expensive one. Yeah, there's a lot of labor in these things. So, subscribe and like. Mr. Kevin, I'm a blockhead. I need a butcher block. And once we get 100 subscribers, I'm gonna give it away. And I'll even record it and I'll show you on the YouTube right there. Have a happy ho ho. Ho ho, happy ho. Have a merry hi ho. And away we go.